Alright, so welcome to Tech Edify. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to schedule a mail in Google. Now, in case you don't have time and you want to schedule your mails, and this is a simple way to schedule a mail in Gmail. You just have to click on the compose as you are sending an email. So you have to put in the recipient. So let me just choose a recipient here. And now you put in your subject, whatever that you want to do. Now to schedule this email, you have to, when you check on the send, there is an arrow here that is more send option. Now when you tap there, you see schedule send. So when you tap on this, you can see these are available or coordinated time that you can choose to send your mail. So tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock, or maybe this time or that time. But if you want to choose your own custom time, you can just select by tapping on this one. So when you tap on it, you can see the calendar here. So you can even go forward. Maybe you want to send your mail around 24th September, and then you can set the time. So this is the date. So the time, you tap here, and then you can set the time here. Now after you are done, you can just click on schedule send. All right, so this email has been scheduled, and then you can see the time and the date over here. So after you have scheduled, you can just leave it. When the system hits to that particular date and then the time, it will send automatically. Now you can use this thing to schedule a lot of mail. Maybe if you are someone who is very busy, who don't have time always on their PC to be sending mails, you can schedule all your emails using this kind of features. Now let me know in the comment section if this video had been very helpful. Please give it a thumb up and don't forget to share this video and subscribe to this channel if today happens to be your first time. Now see you in the next video. Bye bye.